name is Astro Ashikar. Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing another cubing video. And today I will be doing a few country flags, and you guys have to guess what those country flags are. So I will leave my Instagram in the description and go to my DMs, and you guys have to guess what countries I did on the 3x3. So let's just jump in and do the first country. So yeah guys, this is gonna be my cubing cam, and let's start. I did not prepare, but let us just do it. And perfect, we are done with the first country. So guys, you can go to my Instagram, put number 1, and then you have to guess what country this is. So yep, this is country number 1, and let's move to country number 2. Dun 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 dun. So let us do the second country. The second country is kind of easier compared to the other one when doing the thing, because like you have to make like mostly one side and then you have to do it. I'm not giving you any clues about the country, but I'm just saying, you know. Perfect. We are done with the other country. So put number 2 and then semicolon, and you guys have to vote for what is this country. That's kind of hard, but let's see who gets it. Now let's do the last and final country. I'll give you a clue. This is... No, I'm not gonna give you the clue. It's too obvious. Oh God. Down, 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 and then boom. Boom, 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 and boom, and then we go like boom, boom, and then we need a boom, 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 and then we go boom, 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 and we go like that, down, left, up. So we're done with the last and final country. So you have to put number 3 and guess what country this is. So if you made it this far, congratulations, and whoever guesses it first and sends the message to my DMs, I will give them a hard shout out on my YouTube channel. So yep guys, so this is the end of the video. Hope you loved it, and this is Astro Ashikar signing off. Bye bye.